How to fix Instagram not showing posts on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not showing posts on Android or iOS phone. First, open Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Now go back or start your phone, go to settings and go to battery, and here you will find ultra power saving mode. Now enable it and then wait few seconds and then disable it again. You will find an exit button here or something like that, and after that just go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now if you have an Android, go to settings, type here apps, click on it, type here Instagram and click on it, click force stop and go to storage clear cache. I hope that can fix your problem and see you in the next video.